AirTag is a tracking device designed by Apple that can be attached to personal belongings such as keys, wallets, or bags. It uses Bluetooth technology to communicate with nearby Apple devices such as iPhones or iPads and can be located using the Find My app. When an AirTag is set up, it is associated with the owner's Apple ID. The user can give the AirTag a name and enable lost mode, which sends a notification to the owner's device if the AirTag is detected by another Apple device that is not in the owner's circle of trusted devices. AirTag uses ultra-wideband technology to provide more precise location information when used with an iPhone 11 or newer. When the user is nearby an AirTag, the iPhone will use haptic feedback and sound to guide the user to the item being tracked. AirTag also includes privacy features to prevent unwanted tracking. It includes a removable battery and a mechanism to prevent tracking other people's items without their knowledge. If an AirTag is detected that is not associated with the user's Apple ID, the Find My app will notify the user that an unknown AirTag has been detected.